Como ça va, YouTube? Danny, tired Danny here. Kitchen hydroponics. Boy, whew, I almost killed my plants. We did a whole bunch of live streams yesterday, and I forgot to water my plants. And when they're in a position like this, it's they time to get out. I like to grow my tomatoes in in these buckets and let them get a little leggy because they're all going into 5-gallon buckets. So I want them a little bit taller. They make a much better root system. But whew, I need to raise my lights. You can see the yellowing on the leaves. I need to raise my lights, and I forgot to water them. It had been 24 hours without water, and they don't do good with that long. Didn't have a real good harvest. I mean, a real good setup with them. Well, not setup. I didn't have a real good return on the seeds I planted. I was trying to get the well, anyway, I just had a bad year. My peppers didn't do good at all. I see right here I had 4 of them that finally popped, and they didn't do good. Losh, that's not good. Anyway, the one I wanted to try the most, King of the North peppers, didn't get any of them. These are the Cosmic Cultivators. I think I planted 20 seeds of those from the Cosmic Cultivators Pepper Seed Challenge. I have 4 with the 5th one possibly coming up. The tomatoes did okay. This one, this right here had like 80 seeds in it, and that's all I got. So they're still popping. That's what's weird. I have no idea what I did wrong. They're on the heat mat. I know, like, this one's dry. It's just, we quit watering it. But yeah, oh Lord, it was bad. Anyway, if you were watching the live last night, Lord, that on Jeff's channel, Grow Something with Jeff, it was amazing. It was fun. There was a bombshell dropped. After hours of negotiating with John on the live, we wore him down, and apparently Miss Sarah with the Big Blue House Homestead is back on Team Aquarius. Yeah, for nothing. You just gave her up. It's crazy. Scary. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But yeah, that was a bombshell. We were all like, he was there, determined. I'm not. Then all of a sudden he's like, okay, she can go. So, man, we don't know. We can see, we can find out. He might have had his cheat stroke going on. But anyway, yeah, there's a big bombshell last night. If you wasn't watching it, you missed it. It was fun. It was a good 4-hour live. This is what we're doing today. It's cool outside. Feels amazing right now. It was supposed to be freezing. We're at about 39 degrees. There's a little bit more wind than I'd like, but we're gonna be cleaning up. We gotta weed eat. Gotta cut grass. It's been a while. Got a lot of weed eating. Might end up having to spray a little bit of poison to get everything under control. Fixed my tire on my lawnmower yesterday. Didn't fix it good enough apparently because it's on the flat again. Look, I kind of let the grass get overgrown. Me and my queen, she been after me to get a bicycle. The little dude been after me to get a bicycle, and I was looking at that bicycle online. Walmart wanted $200 for it. I'm like, I need that pimp ride. I was 2 days from getting it, right before work finished, and I don't know. I waited. I come in from work, and Sheena's like, oh, they got some bikes on sale at Walmart for $75. Let's go look. What pal? $75 for a $200 bike. What pal? $75 for a $150 bike. Me and the queen got us some new rides, boy. It's been a long time since I rode a bike. But yeah, I got both bikes for less than we'd have paid for the one. Pretty impressed with that. Look, oh my, we got a mess. The grass is long. I got wood on the ground. It's like, oh. But we covered all the tomato plants yesterday with buckets. Went to the Urban Naturalist in Lafayette. and he sells juice buckets for pennies on the dollar compared to what you'd pay for them. I picked up 260 of the 3-gallon buckets, 2 and 3-gallon buckets yesterday. I picked up 260 buckets. I think it was $55, $60, something like that. Can't beat that. If I could have got the tomatoes, I'd have just let them see if they made it or not. But the supply store where I bought all these tomatoes from are having issues receiving the tomatoes, so I didn't want to take the chance of not having any more. It would have been cheaper to replace tomatoes than it would have been to buy all the pots plus buy all the little fiberglass stakes that I had to cut. But they're just not getting them. My beautiful queen, boy, she planted colors. So, pal, look at the grass. Today, that's what we're gonna be doing. We got a lot of cleanup to do. The weather's not too great for, planting or working in the greenhouse. The plastic, working with the PVC and everything's not gonna be real good. It's gonna want to crack instead of cut, and I really need to get some cleaning up done in the yard before it gets really warm, because it's gonna take over. You got to stay on top of it here. If you don't, you got a mess, and you got to break out poisons and chainsaws to cut grass and everything. It's just not worth it. So we're also planning on adding some in the dirt gardening in that far corner just off to the side of the raised beds. I think it's like a 25 by 30 section or 20 by 30 section. We're going to be adding, it's going to be mostly pole beans that we're going to be putting right there. Maybe some more zucchini. We just got so much to do. Oh my top blew off of my pier light. I need to go fix that, because that's expensive. I got to get going. I got to take care of that. Anyway, that's what we got going on today, y'all. The queen's got to work. She'll be back. We'll be cleaning up. And like I said, the bombshell. There was a bombshell that dropped last night, and it was pretty amazing. It was fun. It was a great live. We just wait to see what the next shoe drops is. And South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Y'all grew that. It's 38 degrees and sunny here, and the wind's blowing, but summertime's here. Y'all grew that later.